Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix high CPU usage in Windows 10 and Windows 11. Let's get started. First, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Under the Processes tab, check which app is using the most CPU and close any app you don't need. Next, disable startup apps. In Task Manager, go to the Startup tab and disable unnecessary apps to reduce CPU usage after boot. Now, update your system. Go to Settings, Update and Security, and check for updates. Updates often fix performance issues. Also, scan for malware using Windows Security. Malware can cause unusually high CPU usage. Finally, restart your PC. A simple restart can clear background processes and instantly lower CPU usage. And that's it. These steps can help reduce high CPU usage on Microsoft Windows 10 and 11. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.